Welcome to the Hawthorne Studio. My name is Jessica and today we are going to announce the 1K giveaway winner. Now, this was really difficult for my husband. I didn't realize how difficult it would be for him. He was going through all of these comments and he was like, why didn't we win the lottery? I would give kits to everyone. And I'm like, well, we're not millionaires, so we can't. So he ended up picking KEISHA MACK. So congratulations on winning the Wick Co. luxury DIY kit. Keep in mind this does come with a soy palm wax. It does not come with the regular cocoa apricot wax. So I just want to clarify that for you real quick. Now, we are super close to 2,000 subscribers. Once we hit 2,000, we will be doing another 2K giveaway and then probably another one at 5K, but that's way down the line. So this will definitely be another option. Again, thank you so much for everyone who applied for this contest or who entered into this contest. I did read every single one of your comments. I didn't reply though, because I didn't want anyone to I didn't want my husband to be swayed by my words. So I'm like, you have to go through all of these. And he's like, I don't want to be the bad guy. And I'm like, no, it's fine, it's fine. So we will definitely be sending the kit out as soon as possible. Message me on Instagram at Hawthorne Company so you can claim your prize. Now today we are actually doing unboxing of candle supplies, super fun. I also have a brand new boiler. I am replacing the Presto pot with a Digiboil. So we are going to do an unboxing of that, and I will probably do a full side-by-side comparison between the Digiboil and the Presto pot in 1 or 2 videos down the line. And watch out for tomorrow, because tomorrow I will also be releasing the room spray recipe that I was teasing on Instagram about. So let's go ahead and look at some of the supplies that I have recently gotten in for candle making, and maybe you guys will get some ideas. All right, let's get started. So I received a lot of goodies in the mail. I am an over-the-road truck driver, so every time I come home, it's like Christmas all over again. The first thing I did want to show you was these. This is my shipping box, and I'll do a close-up of it real quick so you can see the gold foil detailing, but this isn't what I wanted to show you. What I wanted to show you is the box that comes inside, which is my little candle boxes that I got. Now, these aren't gift boxes necessarily. These are literally shipping boxes. So they have, it's cardboard, so like what you would normally ship boxes in, so it is crush proof. And this is what I'm going to put my Wick Co candles in, and I actually am just going to label the outside. I didn't do custom writing on each single one because honestly, I don't have my scents finalized right now. There's a lot of good options, but I didn't want to be stuck with a fragrance I wasn't going to use. So I'm just going to put a label on it. Okay, so here's an example. This is just a label that I normally use for my spray bottles right here. But I think what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put it on the side like this and have all the information on the side here, and then the candle scent on the front like this. And it has like this pretty gold foil texture, which I print at home myself. If you want to know how I do that, I can definitely do a tutorial on that. It is really expensive though, FYI. Not so much doing it, but the products that you need to do it is really pricey. But it's kind of something that I have been accumulating over the past year that I've been doing this, so it's not like I did this all at once. But this also fits inside the shipping box that I have. This shipping box is 12 inches wide, 5 inches high, 10 inches deep. So I could probably safely fit about 4 to 5 Wick auras in here, or 4 auras and maybe like a body butter or something like that. these boxes, these shipping boxes, I have actually purchased from China. I purchased it from Alibaba. I will leave the contact information down below. Keep in mind, if you're watching this video like tomorrow or something, China is closed for Chinese New Year's, so you probably have to wait a long time. Which these boxes that I had shipped, these white little shipping boxes for my candles to keep them safe, I mean, this is solid. This is not going to break or bend or anything like that. Like, gift boxes are sometimes very flimsy, so this will definitely keep it safe. And everyone knows that a box within a box is the safest way to ship. But those white boxes, those are from U printing. And just to give you an idea between Chinese prices and U printing prices, this giant box with gold foil custom printing on it cost me $1.91, I think. After shipping everything out the door, these boxes here cost me $2.53, but I was forced to get them because China's closed. So I will probably change that packaging later when I can talk to my manufacturer again. The next thing I got were the candle jars for my spring and summer line, and I am super excited for this because let me show you what they look like. These are very much mermaid, fairy, unicorn vibes to the fullest. Let me just give you a quick close-up on each one. But aren't they gorgeous? I'm probably gonna do a mermaid theme in this one and probably a fairy garden theme in this one for spring and summer. I'm gonna launch them both at once. I'll probably keep them up on my website until September, and then I'm going to swap them out for the fall collection or winter collection. And I'm not gonna do like 20 candles or something crazy. I'm just gonna do 2 scents each season. So make it easy on myself. The next thing I wanted to show you is I did upgrade my camera. I am not using it to record right now. This is still an iPhone, but I did finally upgrade my camera, and I went above and beyond because I also wanted to do cinematics. I also got a brand new gimbal for said camera as well. This was a splurge purchase. I almost cried when I hit submit on the order because it was quite a few grand, but I work 70 hours a week. If I can't buy cool shit, what's the point of working so hard? Next thing I wanted to show you is this. I ordered a bunch of Wickets, and I told you I was getting the Wick center tools, and the packaging is so beautiful and they work so well. So this will basically keep my jars or my wicks in my jars from moving, because sometimes what happens with wooden wicks is that they will shift and move as the wax is drying, so then your wick actually ends up bent or off-centered. So this will stop that from happening. I just really want to give a big shout out to Wicket. They were so awesome to work with, and their packaging is absolutely beautiful. I really felt like I got my money's worth, and this is made out of wood. So it's not like a 3D printing or anything like that. There's nothing wrong with 3D printed ones, but I really wanted that whole earthy wooden vibe. Even though no one sees it but me, it still makes me feel good. So that is definitely something that you should look into, and let's just do a quick close-up on that packaging because 10 out of 10. Okay, so that is pretty much everything that I purchased, like outside of the Digiboil. Let's go ahead and open up the Digiboil though, because oh my gosh, I am so excited. Everyone in the group says it's awesome, and honestly my Presto Pot leaks, so I'm not like here for it, and it's probably because, you know, my husband and I made it ourselves. We didn't actually like purchase it from a reputable vendor. So my Presto Pot leaks. It does a really good job of doing what it's supposed to do besides the leaking. So this Digiboil is actually only about $56 more, and it is huge. it will definitely grow with you over time. And I wanted to get it now. It costs about $156 or so. It comes with free shipping. And I'm really hoping that it works really well. Otherwise, I'll feel like a giant jerk. But according to everyone else, it's supposed to be awesome. So let's go ahead and unbox that now. The Digiboil. Look how, okay. I don't know if any of you have a Presto pot at home so you could do a size comparison. I'll show you the Presto pot in a minute. But this is the Digiboil. If you're like, oh my God, where are you gonna put that? I don't know either, but we'll figure it out, right? We'll figure it together. So let's open it up. The thing about the Digiboil is that it holds a lot more wax. This is actually used for like distilling alcohol. When my brother-in-law saw it, he was like, are you gonna make moonshine? I'm like, I'm pretty sure that's illegal in Florida. Not sure, but that's not what we're doing with this. We are going to be making wax. All right, let me do a quick close-up so you can see the whole view of me opening this. Okay, so I have the instruction pamphlet. And I assume this is the lid. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, I actually have to put this together? Oh no. Maybe I should call in my husband. I'm not good at this stuff. Oh, I think I do. Look, there's even a handle. All right. Ta-da! Look how nice it is. Look, it's like half the size of my body. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, here's the inside. Who needs instructions? We'll just wing it, right? Oh God, this is gonna end up awful. I need a screwdriver, so I'll be right back. Back with a Phillips screwdriver, and then we're just gonna put on the lid. And this has actually been super easy to put together. I really didn't need the instructions. So let me just do this real quick, and we'll see the final comparison between the Digiboil and the Presto pot to see the size comparison. Okay, so we're all done assembling it. This is it. I'm 5'5", so this gives you a pretty good idea. This is pretty much the size of my torso and shoulders and hips and everything else. This is huge. I was not expecting it to be this big. Let me go ahead and just show you a size comparison real quick. I'm gonna pick this up. It's actually not heavy at all, so don't worry about it being super heavy. I could pick this up one-handed. It's not a big deal. This is the Presto pot. This is the Digiboil. Look at it, it's huge. This is like a little tiny baby compared to this. That's insane. This will definitely help me grow, and it's only like $56 more than a Presto pot. So to me, it's a no-brainer. I'd get the Digiboil assuming it works well, which I'm actually going to test it out today and tomorrow to see what it ends up looking like and if it's any good, which I have a feeling it will be, because I don't think people would lie in the group. I mean, they'd let you know if it was garbage. But if you have one, comment down below. Let me know how you like it. Kind of give me some tips or anything like that I should be looking for, and I would greatly appreciate that. One last thing you should know is that the results from a week ago, I had mixed the cocoa apricot 80% with 20% 487. It's been amazing. I'm going to insert this clip, which is going to be a 4-hour burn. Don't mind if there's a little wax hang up on the sides. It's because my wick was off-centered. And now I'm going to insert a clip with a comparison on a second burn, same fragrance oil percentage, same everything, but the right one is going to have 100% coconut apricot with the smaller wick, and then the other one is going to have the blend with, sorry, I had to concentrate on my cat for a second. The other one's going to have, the left side is going to have 80% cocoa apricot and 20% 487. And you can see clear as day the difference. The coconut apricot is very unstable. It's sooting. The flame is just going everywhere. And then with the 487 blend, it looks really, really good. So I am super excited about that. That's pretty much all that I have for today. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be releasing the DIY. I'm going to be testing out my new camera, so hopefully I can get some good shots. And I will see you then. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell and comment down below. It helps the YouTube algorithm. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. Say bye, Salem. He's not having it. He's not having it. Bye, loves.